Welcome to Mini Docs for Kids, where curiosity leads the way.
You breathe when you run. You breathe when you rest. You even breathe while you sleep. So what inside your body keeps breathing going all the time? Hey, I'm Miles. I help explore how people feel and how bodies work. Breathing feels simple and easy, but inside your body, important things are happening all the time. Today, we will learn what lungs are. We will learn how air moves in and out of your body. We will see how breathing helps your brain think, and how it helps your body feel calm and strong. Inside your chest are two soft body parts called lungs. A body part with an important job is called an organ. Your lungs are organs. Their job is to help you breathe. Your lungs are light and stretchy. They are not hard like bones. They are soft like sponges. This helps them fill with air. When you breathe in, air moves into your body. It travels down a tube called the windpipe. The windpipe is like a slide for air. The air fills your lungs and makes them bigger. When you breathe out, your lungs shrink gently. The old air leaves your body. Your lungs relax again. Then they are ready for the next breath. The air you breathe has something special called oxygen. Oxygen is a tiny gas. Your body needs oxygen to stay alive. Without it, your body cannot work well. When air reaches your lungs, oxygen moves into your blood. Blood is the red liquid inside your body. It moves through tubes called blood vessels. Blood carries oxygen everywhere. Blood works like a delivery truck. It brings oxygen to your brain so you can think. It brings oxygen to your muscles so you can move. It brings oxygen to your heart so it can keep beating. Inside your lungs are millions of tiny air pockets. They are called air sacs. Air sacs are tiny bubbles. They grab oxygen from the air. Each air sac is very small, but together they make a huge surface. A surface is the outside area of something. More surface means more oxygen can enter. If all your air sacs were spread flat, they could cover a tennis court. That gives your lungs lots of space. It helps your body breathe easily. Here is a surprising fact. You breathe about 20,000 times every day. Most breaths happen without thinking. Your body remembers how to breathe for you. Let's recap what we have learned today. Your lungs are soft organs in your chest. They bring oxygen into your body. Oxygen helps your brain muscles and heart work. Breathing keeps you alive and feeling good. If this made you curious, keep exploring. Watch more mini docs for kids. There is always something cool to learn. See you soon.